Morning ma'am, good morning everyone. Challenges and scope of international marketing. The domestic market expansion concept. The domestic company that seek sales extension of its domestic products into foreign market illustrate this orientation to international marketing. It views its international operations as secondary to an extension of its domestic operation. The primary motive is to dispose of excess domestic production. Domestic business is its priority of foreign sales are seen a profitable extension of domestic operation. While foreign markets may be vigorously pursued, the orientation remains basically domestic. Its attitude toward international sales is typified by the belief that if it sells it Peoria, it will sell anywhere else in the world. Minimal if any efforts are made to adapt the marketing mix to foreign markets. So, ang domestic market expansion concept, ang market expansion concept means ang kumpanya is una nga naga-focus sa local market, tapos ina-expand nila ang sales sa iban nga country para sa kumpanya. Ang home country is priority kag ang international market is ila lang extra income. Example, ang isa ka negosyo sa Pilipinas na nga sikat ang produkto tapos iligda man sa iban nga bansa nga pareha produkto para baligya para baka domestic market concept. Once a company recognize the importance of difference in overseas markets and the importance of offshore business to their organization, its orientation toward international business may shift to a multi-domestic market strategy. A company guided by this concept has a strong sense that country markets are vastly different and they may be depending on the product. And that market success requires an almost independent program for each country. Firms with this orientation market on a country by country basis with separate marketing strategies for each country. So ang multi-domestic market concept naman is taga country may lain-lain nga gusto or kinanglanon. So ang kumpanya is kung magsulod sang negosyo, i-align man ang negosyo sa ila nga. So ang multi-domestic concept naman is taga country may lain-lain nga gusto or kinanglanon. So ang kumpanya is kung magsulod sang negosyo, i-align man ang negosyo sa ila nga kinahanglanon para magustuhan kung mabakal man sila sang produkto. Halimbawa, ang pagkaon nga baligya diri sa Pilipinas, lainon ang lasa kung ibaligya sa iban nga bansa para magustuhan. Global marketing concept. A company guided by this new orientation or philosophy is generally referred marketing concept. A company guided by this new orientation or philosophy is generally referred to as a global company. Its marketing activity is global marketing and its market coverage is the world. A company employing a global marketing strategies strives for efficiencies of scales by developing a standardized product of dependable quality to be sold at a reasonable price to a global market that is the same country market throughout the world. Important to the global marketing concept is the premise that world markets are being driven toward a covering commonality that seek much same ways to satisfy their needs and desire and thus constitute significant marketing segments with similar demands for the same product the world over. Ang kampanya makita ang bilog nga market, ang goal is gamiton ang same product nga sikat taga lugar amo na ang marketing strategy.